Want to make your space look more stylish and well designed? Well, here are 3 simple hacks that can instantly elevate any space. Number 1, play with vertical elements. If you want your space to feel taller, more open, and grounded, go for vertical elements. This can be tall shelves, vertical striped curtains, wall panelings, or even vertical patterns on your walls. Vertical lines naturally guides the eyes upwards, making the space feel more expansive and grand. Number 2, lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in how a space looks and feels. It's not just about brightness, it's about layering different types of lighting. Whether it's ambient lighting, task lighting, or accent lighting, the way you combine them matters. For example, warm dim lighting is perfect for bedrooms to create that cozy vibe, while bright lighting works better in workspaces to boost focus. Even adding a unique light fixture can add a statement piece and instantly elevate your space. Number 3, contrast. Contrast is what makes a space visually interesting. It's not just about colors, it can come from textures, materials, or even finishes. Try mixing smooth and rough textures to add depth, or blend modern and natural materials for a balanced look. If you want a bold, sophisticated feel, using contrasting colors in the right way can completely transform a space. Try these hacks and see the difference.